Okay, today we're going to do limits while just looking at the graph of it and not the equation of it. Okay, so I want you to think about limits as following a road and you're getting closer to an intersection. And your intersection is the x value. Okay, so this says as we get closer to 1, so you're going to follow the road path. So follow the road path. So from this road path, as I get closer and closer to the x value of 1, and on this road path, as I'm moving this way and getting closer and closer to 1, what's the y height? 2. As I move closer to 1, does it make sense that I got closer and closer to 2?
Do we just do it for that one line?
Because this is the only line that's on the graph for 1, the area around 1. Yeah. Did I answer that right? Or like in a way that you could understand?
No, yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. Okay, so follow the road map around 2. So as the road map is getting closer to 2, what's the height getting close to? So here's 2. So as that line, as you're moving towards 2, what's the height? I don't know, a decimal? What do you want to say? 2 point, I don't know, 8? Is that what you said? Okay. 4. As you move towards 4, okay, so I'm going to follow this. Here's my one map, my road map. As this goes closer and closer to 4, what's going on with this? And as this getting closer to 4, what's going on with this? Where are they moving to? Infinity. So as the graph gets, the x value goes closer and closer to 4, the graph is going up, up, up. Okay, -2. So if I am going from the right-hand side, I'm going to follow this curve. As this goes closer and closer to 2, what's it going towards? -infinity. And from this direction, as I'm moving towards -2, it's going to positive infinity. So can we make a conclusive answer where it's going to? No limit. They're not going to the same spot. There's nothing conclusive of where the graph is going. Okay. Now, this is something new. I don't think we've seen this yet. So this says, as I go towards 0 from this side only. That's what that means. The symbol, the plus symbol, means as you are moving towards 0 from only that direction. Okay, ready? So I'm going to follow this roadway. So as this road is going closer and closer to 0, what is the height getting closer to? 1. So this road was getting closer to the height of 1.
Does it not matter that there's a hole there?
It doesn't matter because a limit is all about what are you getting close to. Okay? It's not going to ever reach 1. We know that because of the hole, but it's getting close to 1, right? That's what limits are about. Okay. This time I'm asking you, as I get close to 0 from, so there's a negative, so from this side. So I'm going to head towards 0 from this direction. So you know what? I think I'm going to have to follow a different road. So does this make sense that this is the road? As I'm getting closer to 0 from this direction, what's the height getting closer to? 3. Okay, and the last question is, as the graph got closer to 0, so now I have to consider both directions. So what happened when we went close to 0 from this direction and this direction? What did we do? We went to two different locations, right? So what do we say? There's no limit. If you're going to go from both directions and you're not going to get to the same location, then there's no limit.